Good morning. Today topic discuss about the semi-solid preparation. Content, introduction, anatomy of skin, route of drug transport, factor affecting the penetration, formulation, manufacturing, and the evaluation. Next, semi-solid. Semi-solid means the ointments, creams, and the paste, and the gel, and the jellies, and the poultices, and the suppositories. Tentrification definition. Ointments. There are semi-solid preparation, external application to the skin or mucous membranes. The paste, there are semi-solid preparation containing the high amounts of solid ingredients intended for external application to the skin. Cream, they are viscous semi-solid emulsion meant for external use. Gels, there are semi-solid aqueous dispersion system which may contain the suspension of either small or large organic molecule dispersion in a suitable liquid. The skin is very effective as a selective penetration barrier. The epidermis provides the major control element of the drug penetration. The various parts in the skins and the stratum corneum, the coronary layers, the stratum lucidium, and the stratum granulosum, the stratum the spinosum, the stratum the fascicle, the basement of membrane zone, and the sebaceous gland, and the blood vessels, and the hair follicles, and the subcutaneous and the adipose tissue. Next on the sweat gland and the sweat tract, the various part in the epidermis and the dermis. The upper part of the epidermis and the lower part is the dermis. Epidermis, the superficial, the thinner portion composed of keratinocytes stratified in the tissue. Epidermis consists of different layers. The stratum corneum, the corneal layer, prior to percutaneous in the observation. The stratum lucidium barrier zone is a barrier transfer of water across the skin. The damage result in increased permeability. Stratum granulosum, the granular layers, the participate in the keratinizations. Stratum spinosum, stratum the basili, stratum the germinative melanocytes, the pigment of producing cells of the epidermis. Dermis, the sensitivity connective tissue layer of the skin, local under the epidermis containing nerve ending, sweat and the sebaceous gland and the blood, hair follicles and the fibroblast and the histocytes and the lymph vessels. Composed of strong connective tissue containing collagen for strength, the elastin for stitch. Play major role in this temperature regulation. Hypodermics, the subcutaneous fatty layers and the below the dermis is a hypodermis, all the subcutaneous layers. The sub means under cutaneous means the skin. Under the skin, the loss of layer of connective tissue which is answered to the underline the tissue, muscles and the bones. The most fat cells are present in the hypodermis adipose tissues. Act as the insulator to protect the body from excessive heat and the cold environment. Skin appendages. The sweat glands. The sweat glands are coiled tubulus in the dermis to the skin surface. They can be subdivided into two classes. The eccrine glands, the sweat gland which are involved in the regulation of body temperature, water elimination. About 2 million eccrine sweat glands. The abocrine sweat gland, they are larger than eccrine sweat but few in numbers. They are mainly located in the region of maxillae and around the nipples. The abocrine sweat differs in the composition from the eccrine and may be cloudy and colored. Hair follicles. Hair follicles are the sebum filled opening from with keratinize the filament of protrude. Follicles occupy about the 1.5% of the skin surface area. Absent from the glandular and the palmosar surface, the red area of the lips and the parts of the genitaliae. Sebaceous glands, more in number and the size of face. The forms of soles and does not contain the sebaceous glands. The sebum composed of glyceride and the free fatty acid, the cholesterol esters and the wax ester and the eucoline. Next slide. Mechanism of drug penetration through the three potential entry route of the drug to the viable the tissue. The trans epidermic epidermal root occurs a continuous stratum corneum, that intercellular root and the transcellular root. The transepidermal route, the polar pathway. When the therapy is required, they target the horny layer of the skin, emollient and exfoliants. The diffusion is a passive process. Follow the concentration gradient. Lower molecular weight of molecules penetrate throughout the stratum corneum to some extent. Transepidermal route, the intrafollicular pathway for ions and large molecule with low diffusion coefficients which cross up stratum corneums with difficult to polar steroids and antibiotics. Antiperspirants like aluminum chloride. Topical antibiotic like tetracycline, clindamycin. The antifungals like clotrimazole and the miconazole. Depilators like the stratum sulfide and the barium sulfide and the thioclocosides. Topical exfoliants like salicylic acid, the retinoic acid. Epidermal routes, intercellular pathway. The drugs like the topical steroid, NSAID, and the corticosteroid, and the anesthetic like the benzocaine. Antihistamine and antibiotic. Anti-malignants like the methotrexate 5-fluorouracil. Low molecular weight molecules penetrate through the stratum corneum to some extent. Skin appendage are main route of the electrolytes in the polar steroids, the antibiotics, and the colloid particles. Particles of 3 to 10 micron can be penetrated through the hair follicles. Particles less than 3 microns penetrate the stratum corneum. The hair follicle route may be important for ions and large polar molecules. The topically applied agents such as the steroid and the hexachlorophene, the crisoflavin, the sodium phosphate, and fusidic acid may form the depot or a reservoir by the binding within the stratum corneum. Once drug penetrated through the horny layer in rapidly enter the tissue under systemic circulation. The average residence time of the drug in dermis may be 1 minute before it is washed away by blood. NSAID reach from town to muscles to form the depots. Factor influencing dermal penetration of drugs. The biological factors, the skin condition, skin age, and blood flow on the regional skin side, and the moisture content and environmental temperatures. The physiochemical factors, the drug skin, the skin hydration, skin binding, the vehicle skin, the type of nature of vehicle, the temperature, penetration, drug and vehicles. Physiological factors, skin condition, injuries and the chemicals and the defecting. The intake, healthy skin is a tough barrier, but acid and alkali injury the barrier cells and therapy thereby promote the penetration. The intake, the healthy skin is a tough barrier, but acid and alkali injuries the barrier cells thereby promote the penetration. Mixtures of non-polar and polar solvent such as chloroform, menthol remove the lipid fraction and the molecules pass more easily. Mixture of non-polar solvent or solvent, non-polar and polar solvent such as chloroform, menthol remove the lipid fraction and the molecule pass easily. Disease alter the skin condition. The skin inflate with the loss of stratum corneum. This permeability increase. Skin age. Skin of the young, the elder is more permeable than adult tissue. The children are more susceptible to the toxic effect of drugs and the chemicals because of the greater surface area per unit body weight. This is a potential topical steroid causes severe side effect and death. Blood flow. And increase the blood flow could reduce the amount of the penetration remaining in the dermis and also raise the blood and the gradient across the skins. Regional skin sites, the variation in permeability depend on the thickness and the nature of the stratum corneum and the density of the skin appendage. The permeability depending on the thickness of stratum corneum, the overall thickness of the tissue. The facial skin general is more permeable than other body sites. Facial skin is general more permeable than other body sites. Next, moisture content of skin and environmental temperature. If the moisture content of skin is high, then temperature also high. When the drug is applied to completely hydrated skin, there is a penetration rate are high. The environmental temperature also affect the drug absorption. Through the skin, drug like aspirin, the glucocorticosteroids absorb the 100 times faster at 37 centigrade than at 10 centigrade. Physiochemical factors, drug skin interaction, skin hydration. When water saturated the skin, the tissue cells and wrinkles and hydration of the stratum corneum increase permeability. The compound which hydrate the skin efficiently can also improve the penetration. Substance like free fatty acid, the pyrrolidine, the carboxylic acid, urea, sodium, and potassium, calcium lactase are used as a natural moisturizer. Testing powder or lotion provide a large surface area for the evaporation, therefore dry the skin. Physiochemical factors, drug skin binding. The drugs which are having the binding capacity with the skin and the skin constituents also affect the penetration. The drugs like surface active agent, sunscreens, and some topical steroid bind with the skin and form the reservoir in this stratum corneum and release slowly. Physiochemical factors, vehicle skin interaction, the type and the nature of the vehicle. The occlusive vehicles like the fat and the oil reduce the loss of increase moisture content that promote the penetration. Lipophilic vehicles like the paraffin, the wax, and the fatty acid and the alcohol also prevent water losses. Water and oil emulsion also occlusive in nature. The oil and water emulsion is slightly less occlusive but also promote the penetration. Effect of temperature, increase the temperature can increase the penetration. Occlusive vehicle can increase the temperature on application. Minor effect compared to the hydration. Effect of penetration in cancer. Substance which temporarily diminish the impermeability of the skin. They enhance the penetration of rate of drug or penetration in cancer. DMs and DMF, DMD commonly used to have the irritant effect of the toxin and the bad odor. The pyrrolidines can be used for effective in cancer. The surfactant, especially the anionic surfactant, alter the penetration by the interacting with the protein helix of the skin. The combination of the oleic acid with the propylene glycol and the considering the safety and the effectively water is the best penetration in cancer. Physiochemical factors, drug vehicle interaction. This factor is considered when release of the drug, the vehicle rate determine the factor. The affinity between the drug and the base determine the release rate of the drugs. Substance having lower solubility in the vehicle may release rapidly. Oilments. Oilment definition. Oilments are semi-solid preparation for the applicant to the skin or mucous membranes. The formulation of oilments, the active pharmaceutical ingredients in the oilment base, antioxidant, the preservative, the humectants, and the perfumes. See the slides in the oilments, the p-benzene oilments and the fusidine oilments. Classification of oilments based on the penetration. Epidermis, meant for action on epidermis. Endodermis, action deeper layer of cutaneous tissue. Diadermis, meant for deep penetration. According to therapeutic uses of API. Anti-eczematous, like the hydrocortisone, cold tear, and the eczema. Antibiotic like paxitracin, neomycin. Antifungal, benzoic acid, salicylic acid, nestidine. Anti-inflammatory like betamethasone, the tricymenolone. Antibiotic like benzocaine, the cold tear. Astringent like calamine, cingaxid, tannic acid. Counteragent like capsaicin, the iodine, methyl salicylate. Cretolytics like resorcinol, salicylic acid, and sulfur. Parasiticides like the benzyl benzoate and the gamma benzene hexachloride. Ideal property of a base. An oilment is a substance or part of the oilment when the carrier or vehicle of the active ingredient. They should be compatible with the skin pH and drug. Inert and non-irritating and non-sensitizing. Good solvent or emulsifying agent. Emollient, productive and non-abrasive and easily removable. Release medicament easily at the site of action. Classification of the bases. Bases are the oleogeneic bases, absorbent absorption bases, emulsion bases, water soluble bases. Oleaginous bases, the hydrocarbon bases. They consist of the combination of the more than one of oleaginous materials such as water insoluble hydrophobic oils and oleaginous bases. Disadvantages: crazy and sticky, non-washable, retain body heat, do not increase absorption. They are anhydrous, do not absorb water, insoluble in water, emollient action on skin. This is bases include the hard paraffin, soft paraffin, liquid paraffin. Hot paraffin, a mixture of solids saturated by hydrocarbon that are derived from the preparation. It is a colorless or white wax-like material that is physically composed of a mixture of microcrystals. The melting temperature of hot paraffin between the 47 to 65 centigrade and used to enhance the properties of ointment bases. Soft paraffin, the petrolatum. This is a purified mixture of semi-solid hydrocarbon obtained from the petroleum types. Yellow soft paraffin melting point and the 38 centigrade used in the ophthalmic ointments. White soft paraffin melting point 56 centigrades obtained from the pleasing yellow soft paraffin. Liquid paraffin, white mineral oil and liquid petrolatum. Mixtures of liquid hydrocarbon obtained from petroleum by distillation, white, transparent, and tasteless on the oily liquids. Use combined with the hard and the soft paraffin to harden and the soft ointment base and also as a leviate agents. Absorption bases. Absorption bases, unlike the hydrocarbon types, are a hydrophilic, absorbs considerable amount of water aqueous solutions. This is base do not absorb water on contact, but with the sufficient agitation, they absorb aqueous solution may because water by oil type emulsions. The less accuracy than hydrocarbon bases, but have the emollient action, not easily removed from the skin, to incorporate small amount of aqueous solutions. Wool fat, anhydrous lanolin. This is a fat from wool of sheep, ovis areas, can absorb the 50% of water in the weight, more sticky natures. They use the preparation, paste preparation ophthalmic ointments. Wool alcohol. Wool fat is alkalized to separate cholesterol alcohol. It contains not less than 30% of cholesterol. Ointment based preparation. Beeswax. Wax from the honeycomb of bees. Two types of yellow and white beeswax. The stiffening agent in paste and ointments. Hydrates wool fat. The purified fat from wool of sheep. Insoluble in water, soluble in ether and the chloroform, contain the 70% of wool fat plus 30% water. Use of emollient. Advantage of absorption bases. Compatible with most of the medicament, absorb large quantity of water and aqueous substance, relative to the heat stable, easily spreadable, less accuracy and good emollients. The aqueous substance can be incorporated. Disadvantages: undesirability, greasy nature, chance of microbial contamination. Water removable bases. Water removable bases and are of oil and water emulsion that are reserved in the appearance. Ability to absorb water, serum discharge, can be diluted with water. Advantage: miscible with extracted from lesions, does not interfere with the skin function. Good contact with the skin because of surfactant content. High osmotic acceptability. Easy removal from the care. Hydrophilic ointments. The white petroleum 250 gram and the stearyl alcohol 250 gram, propylene glycol 120 gram, the sodium lauryl sulfate the 10 gram, and the methyl paraffin 0.25 gram, and the propyl paraffin 0.25 gram, purified water 370 gram. Water soluble base, grace-less base that do not contain oleaginous substance, contain the completely less base ingredients. Graceless and become the softer or an addition of waters. Carbowaxes 200, 300, 1500 for viscous liquids. Carbowaxes 1540, 3000, 6000 for viscous liquids. The pectin, dragagandha, and the cellulose derivatives form the plants, gelatin animals, silica and the bentonite chemicals. For low viscosity, glycerin and glyceromonostearate. Carbowaxes, macrocols, and the polyethylene glycols. The general formula of carbowaxes. This is a mixture of polycondensation product of ethylene oxide and water. The average molecular weight represented by numbers. The Macrocols in the 200, the 300, 400 viscous liquids. The macrocols in 1500 crazy semi-solid. The macrocols in 1540, 3000, 4600 waxy solids. Liquids clear and colorless. The paint carries colors. The miscible with water and alcohol and other glycols. Selection of an appropriate ointment base. The dermatologic factor, pharmaceutical factors. Effect on skin function, miscibility, compatibility, irritation, and emulsion, ease of application of removal, and the stability, solvent properties, consistency. Solids, white or cream in color, hard lumps or flakes, soluble in 1 in 3 in water and 1 in 2 in alcohol. Solidifying point range from the 40 to 60 centigrade. Macrocols properties, non-toxic, non-irritant, pH 4 to 7.5 4 to 7.5, can be sterilized by heat and a solid and a dry heat and the liquids and the autoclaves. Water soluble, non-volatile and inert substance. Different carbovax mixtures produce a different consistency. Formation of ointments, antioxidants. When there is a possibility of antioxidant degeneration and butyric acid tetrachloride and the butyric acid amino chloride, the propyl chalate. The preservatives, this are selective based on the irritancy and the toxicity. Benzoxide derivatives are used commonly, but for nasal admission they are not used because of irritation. Quaternary ammonium compound like phenyl mercuric nitrate is used. The gelating agents. The gelating, the trace amount of metals, ions, the gelating agents like the citric acid, phosphoric acid, melanic acid, tartaric acid are used. Perfumes to give you a pleasant odors. Manufacturing. Ointments are prepared by the incorporation or titration method, fusion method, chemical reaction method, emulsification method. Go to the incorporation method. Incorporation of solid and incorporation of liquids. Ointments, tile and a spatula made of metal or rubber are used. Method involve the step like the size, the reduction, levication, titration. Levication agents, mineral oil for oleaginous bases, the glycerin for other bases. Mortar and pestle is used for the levication. After levication, the paste of the drug is incorporated into the ointment base. While incorporating the liquids, the capacity of the base to absorb and retain the liquids must be considered. Fusion method. When the ointment consists of the number of solids, when the melting point difference are more, all the ingredients are subjected to heat to melting. The melting is done in the decreasing order of the melting points. Heat sensitivity or any volatile substance are added last. The porcelain dish or glass beaker is used small. Kettle is used at a large scale. Emulsification methods. Fats, oil, and waxes and melted together to temperature, and the aqueous solution of the heat stable water component is added to the same temperature. Aqueous solution is slowly added to the melted bases with continuous stirring until cool. Emulsifying agent. You need to make the stable emulsion. The water soluble soap are commonly used emulsify for semi-solid oil and water emulsions. And the combination of the triethanolamine stearate soap and the cetyl alcohol is used for oil and water emulsions. The beeswax and the divalent calcium ions used as a water and oil emulsion. Chemical reaction method. Preparation of some ointments involve the chemical reaction and the iodine ointments, iodine free form. The iodine ointments, iodine combination form with the iodine ointment bases. Ointments contain free iodine. Iodine is a slightly soluble in fat and vegetable oil, readily soluble in the potassium the iodide solution in water, readily soluble in potassium iodide solution in water due to the formation of polyiodides. Polyiodides are readily soluble in water, alcohol, glycerin. This is a solution may be incorporated with the Molden absorption types ointment base. Ointments containing combined iodine, the fixed oil and many facts obtained from the vegetable and animal source, unsaturated concentration. Iodine combined with the double bonds, the oleic acid, the diiodosteric acid. Free iodide is not available, so ointments appear the dark and green block in color. Leave on no stain when rubbed into the skin, known as non-staining iodine ointments. Evaluation of ointments, the drug content, the release rate of the medicament from base, penetration rate of medicaments, absorption of medicament to bloodstream, consistency of the preparation, preparation, irritant effect. Drug content, minimum fill test. Select any 10 filled containers, weighing the required amount of ointments, medicament extracted into a suitable solvent. Drug content is determined the suitable analytical techniques. The result should be in labeled quantity. Result should be with a labeled quantity. Release rate of medicament from base. Two in vitro techniques are used. The agar cup plate method, the diffusion method. Agar cup plate methods nothing but the use that determine the release rate of the antibacterial activity. The test the agar medium is seeded with a Staphylococcus aureus, the zone of incubation of bacterial growth measured around. The colony of the microbes developed in the agar pore and control the petri dish. In the colony of the micropore, the agar micropore, the growth and the zone of the incubation of the petri dish. They applied for the ointments. The test for petri dish. Diffusion method. Diffusion method is used to find the release rate of the any type of medicament form. The base, the semi-permeable membrane is dyed at the one end of glass tube. Ointment is filled with in the tube properly. Ointment is filled in the tube properly. Spread on the member. The tube is tipped in the distilled water. Maintains 37 plus or minus 110 centigrades. Samples are withdrawn after the specific period of time. The sample is immediately replaced with the fresh distilled waters. Analyzed for the drug content. Plot a graph between the drug concentration and the times. See the division. That the stand and the fixed in the glass tube. The parachiments and the membranes of human skin, they fixed in the bottom. They put it in the ointment in the upper part, and they put in the ointment upper part. The distilled water, the heat in this body temperature maintains, and they penetrate for the container to waters. Determine the penetration. Penetration rate of medicament determine the rubbing weighed amount of defined area of the fixed time. Unabsorbed material is removed completely and weighed. Difference weight provide total amount of penetrated. Rate is then calculated. Absorption of medicament into bloodstream. Diatremic ointments are tested by in vivo methods, determined by assaying the drug content in either blood and urine, feces, and the tissue after rubbing the defined amount under the standard conditions. Consistency of the preparation, the determined by sliding a glass plate over the product by means of product is spread evenly on another glass plate fixed on a wooden block. The weight are added to the pan so that the sliding of the movable glass plate is obtained. The ointments which require more weight to allow the plate to slide over have high consistency and vice versa. See the glass plate and the movable, upper glass plate the movable, and the center of the place in the ointment, the paste, put in the poured in a paste in the ointments. The bottom of the glass, the fixed in the bottom of the wooden blocks. The string the fixed in the string and the pan and the weights. You put it adding the weights in the bar depending upon the consistency, the ointment consistency. Irritant effect. Test is performed in the skin and eyes of rabbit and humans. The result are observed daily for a week. Irritant effect of dermatological preparation now is shown as a lesion and cornea, iris in the conjunctiva. Sometimes rats are used and the ointments injected to the high muscles in the sometime under the abdominal skin. Reaction noted in the intervals of 24, 48, and 72 hours. The irritation can be unhindered by the presence of paste. The paste are semi-solid preparation intended for appearance to the skin. They differ from ointment that they are generally contain a large amount of finely powdered solid substance. Diseases are thicker and stiffer than ointments and also less crazy than ointments. This is due to the less amount of base. Stiffer consistency, do not melt at any body temperature, less viscous than ointment and easy to stick. Due to the high content of powder substance, based can observe the serious secretion. Exudation. Formulation of paste. Pharmaceutical active ingredient, base and absorption, the humectant and the flowers and the perfumes stabilizer. based phase, the hydrocarbon phase, the soft paraffin, the liquid paraffin, the water miscible phase, the glycerin, the emulsifying ointments, the water soluble phase, the polyethylene glycols, the absorbent, they absorb wound extracted and the secretion, zinc oxide, the light caloine and starch extra, humectant, to maintain the humidity in the preparation, to prevent the drying, the example glycerin, orbital, the propylene glycols. Gels. Gels are thin, transparent, translucent, non-crazy preparation, consists of the dissipation of small or large molecule in a aqueous liquid vehicles. Lubricating surgical and local anesthetic, antiseptic, and the spermicidal, non-surgical purposes, non-surgical purposes. The gels are not suitable for the water insoluble drugs. The formation of gels in the